What if humanity was never meant to return? What if something was placed at the entrance, not to punish us, but to stop us? After Adam and Eve leave Eden, something unexpected happens. God does not leave the garden open. He places something there. Not a wall, not a gate. Something alive. Cherubim and a flaming sword, turning in every direction, guarding the way to the tree of life. In Genesis 3:24, it says, God placed cherubim at the east of Eden, and a flaming sword, to guard the way to the tree of life. The Hebrew word is shema, not just to block, but to watch, preserve, protect. Later, in Ezekiel 1, these beings are described with multiple faces: human, lion, ox, eagle, moving like lightning, not gentle, not symbolic, guardians of divine presence. Archaeology reveals something striking. Ancient civilizations placed winged guardian figures at sacred entrances, massive beings, watching, protecting, like the Assyrian Lamashu. But those were symbolic. Here, in Eden, the Bible describes something real, not imagined, placed by God Himself. But here is the turning point. Why guard the tree at all? Because something inside Eden still remained: the tree of life. If humanity reached it after the fall, they would live forever, but not restored, broken, separated, endless existence, without healing. This is not punishment. This is protection. Some believe the tree of life was removed. Others believe it still exists. But the Bible never says it was destroyed, only that the way was guarded. And later, in Revelation 22, the tree of life appears again. Not lost, but waiting. Have you ever tried to go back to something you know you cannot return to? A moment, a version of yourself, but something stops you. Not physically, but inside. Eden is no longer just a place. It is a closed path, guarded, protected, but not forgotten. Because throughout the rest of the story, that path begins to open again, piece by piece, until one moment changes everything. There's someone who needs to hear this. You'll know who. What happens next will change everything. If this spoke to you, type I understand below.